I'm going to be playing Place to Impress, and I'm gonna be trying, like, I'm gonna make a few parts because I want to become a runaway diva. I am currently at 6,000 stars, and I need, like, I don't know, I'm not gonna count, but I need like a few more, tons of more stars. So I'm going to be trying that. So this is a road to runaway diva. Okay, so the theme is Sunken Treasure. I am in a pro server. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe that I could be a statue that has lots of jewels on, but I don't know. I don't want to do a non-human theme. So maybe a pirate. Maybe. I don't know. I'm looking for a certain face. I love using this face for themes like this. It's unique and some, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna stay quiet. Yo, I wish I had custom makeup, but I don't, and that's like very sad. Okay, so I'm doing a pirate look. Well, I'm trying to do a pirate look. See, this person is eating right now. Just wish I could be that good. If you know, you know. Maybe I should put everything on first and then color it. I'm not gonna finish this in time. I just know it. I'm not gonna finish it. Take this off. This white. Make this black. I'm on so no. Quickly go get shoes. Quickly. I'm not gonna make it. Well, I'm not bad. I'm not good at tasting this. No. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. See now, this is a good outfit. Oh, that's what I think. It's just over under pressure when I'm recording because I like never record, and that's okay. This okay, just a do. Uh, this is a good outfit for a runaway queen. What is a runaway queen? Oh, I'm so stupid. I was just asking myself, what is a runaway queen doing in a pro server? But I forgot that you need 3000 stars for this. And I have 6824. I need money. I want to get myself some walks. I think I'm just gonna do like a few outfits because I don't know, just a few outfits and a few rounds, and then I'm gonna end the video because I don't know, I'm gonna cry. It is currently for me, it is, let me check, it's 10:50 a.m. so it's in the morning. I wrote a test today and I don't think it went well because I'm struggling with life. My phone fell out my hand. No, 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 no. I got third place. Oh my word. With 19 stars. The first round, first place got 19 stars. I can't believe I got first place with this monstrosity. I didn't even color everything. Like this rose corset. Dripping in gold. Okay, that's a good theme. Just need it. I have a few color codes that I'm gonna use. I completely forgot about. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep this skin tone. Maybe make it a little lighter. Put on a little bit to go. Okay, so I don't know what face to use. Maybe this face. No, no, no. No. Maybe this face. I don't really know what to do anymore. It's fine. It's fine. It's a runaway diva. I want to become a runaway diva. Because it's like really, it's a rank I just want to reach. I feel like black hair would work with this theme. Yes. So I'm gonna do a normal outfit, but I'm gonna put some elements of gold in it. Okay, but first I need to like put in the hex code for this. Whatever, I'm just gonna use my own one that I made, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm talking to myself. Literally. I feel like black and gold goes so well together. If you know. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Okay, so I think the main elements is like black and gold. Maybe I'm gonna go change the hair color to maybe brown. Maybe black. Okay, I'm thinking maybe each time I'm gonna make a video about this, maybe I should like make the goal so that I like getting 50, no, like 200 stars, and then I can like end around, you know. Maybe can maybe do that. It kind of depends. If I mispronounce a word, I am very sorry. I am not English. Well, I don't speak English, but it is a language I learned at school. So like, don't mind me if I mispronounce something. I don't like doing non-human outfits a lot because it like, you know, sometimes it's like just not that fun. Okay, so this is a shoe hack that I learned, like just like what I saw. But basically, you can see, look at my shoes. You can see that I forgot what it's called, but it's fine. I'm thinking maybe gloves, but also not. I feel like this is a good outfit. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this isn't like really a dripping gold, but I guess it is kind of. I am so tired. You don't understand. I feel like I'm making this video not that fun. Maybe it's boring. I don't know. I mostly don't like giving fours, but only if the outfits are like top tier. Like this. When my graphics were like really low, I used to put everything on foil because I saw it as not like the foil right there, but I didn't see it like that. And I feel so sorry for people that saw me in the outfit like that, because like that's just bad. All foil outfit. If I want to be the Tin Man, I can do that, but no. She took it literally. I think that I used to when it was a dripping in gold, I used to make myself all gold. And then I would put like on that Cupid's cloud and make it like all black. Like this is a good outfit. This is a slay outfit. I'm so tired. It's cute. I guess. I really need to get myself some pose packs. Are they in place? But it's fine, Patty was deserved. I got 4th place with 17 stars. It's fine. I really like this outfit. Let me check it if I can come up here. I have an idea for this one. Yes, I have an idea for this one, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So hopefully it's gonna work. I'm gonna make my skin tone. I'm just gonna keep it like this. And then I'm gonna have like, what if I keep the face? But I'm not gonna keep the top off. Just gonna like, I'm gonna keep this face. And then my hair, I'm gonna put it in a bun. Okay, maybe like this. I'm just gonna keep it like this. And then go over here. I like wanna make it a cloak. Just like this. Maybe take a hat. No anymore. Wait, I have a new idea. Yes, this could work. I don't know. Maybe. But then the thing is, what outfit am I gonna wear? I did have an idea, and now I got a new idea. So that's fun. I wish I had the withered rose sets. The dress. I have the neck piece and the eye piece and the arm piece, but that's basically all I have. Oh, that's it. And that's not a lot. But it's fun. I feel like I'm flopping so bad right now, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Maybe use this black and put it like make it like silk, and then I need a top. I think I'm getting it. I don't know. I'm seriously gonna cry if I don't get this right. Now I just need a top. Look. Most of the people look. Oh, we all look like we're going to a funeral. That's fine. Make it silk. Yes. And then I want something for my arms. I'm gonna get gloves and make it grey. I don't want it all to be black. Okay, I'm not gonna risk it by doing something stupid. I think like I'm gonna do this. I know I said previous like 500 stars, but that's not possible, man. My poor space. I don't think my phone can handle it. I can see you. I don't know what's that supposed to mean. I don't think I have an accent. I think I need to make myself one. I don't know. Or maybe I do have an accent. I don't know. It's the thing. I don't know. Imagine me playing on a master server. Never. I think before I bought a walks, I'm trying to get like 2,500 money saved up because of the withered rose. I need to get the dress. That's all. That's all. That's like literally all I need. I wish I started playing last year because now I don't have all the event items. I like started playing Dresden Blitz this year. I used to think that Dresden Blitz was stupid, but look at me now. 6,000 stars in. I only played it like once, and that was last year. Played it once to make a video. I'll put the video on screen. I used the fur combo. That is when they introduced the duos, so you can duo with people. I don't think this video is gonna get famous because it never does. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I am back and it looks like I got third place with 18 stars. That's cool. I hope the video wasn't too boring. Well, personally for me, I think it was boring, but I don't know. But hopefully we enjoyed it. This is not the first part. I am gonna continue till I reach Runway Diva. I really want the crown. Like, really, really, really. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a good day.